Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, it looks like some of the wait might finally be over. Previously, it always required, as far as I was aware, the MB Star computer or a smart center to be able to relearn the clutch on the Smart Fortwo. This is a 2015 Smart Fortwo model 451, and it looks like the newest update of the iCarsoft Mercedes-Benz version 3.0 tool will now allow you to read and relearn the clutch, all those adaptations. So I've got the brand new software updated on this tool here, and what's interesting about it is you don't go into the service section like you might think. You have to go into the diagnostic section, and then you scroll over to Smart, and you have to have this version right here, 33.2. That's the newest version. Let's see if we can get that to focus there. So select that version. Then it will load. Then go to select your vehicle. We are going to select the model 451 with a gasoline engine. It should show you what your VIN is right there. And then we'll need to hit F1 for OK. And then what you want to do is go to the control unit with the ignition on, and you want to find the transmission control module. Actuation test, clutch. Then you'll want to hit F1, and it gives you all these options right here. So you have learn clutch, open clutch, close clutch, operate, and right here if we go to learn clutch, switch the ignition on, which it already is, F1 for OK. Was the component clutch replaced? If you did replace your clutch, this would be the opportunity to select that. In my case, no, it was not. Conditions that are needed: engine must not run, must not be started, do not perform any gear change. Operate key OK to start the learning process. So we hit F1, and you can hear that it just activated. Hit F1 for OK. Now it wants you to put it in neutral, operate the engine at idling speed, and apply the handbrake. So we'll go ahead and start it and put the vehicle in neutral. Neutral gear, engine idling, apply handbrake, and hit F1. And under the car right now you can hear the clutch actuator going back and forth, making some different noises. Application complete. You can also relearn the transmission in a similar format. If you go back, you could do the transmission here, right there, teach the transmission. You can also view a bunch of data in here on the clutch, and you can do all the data and view, and it will tell you right here where all the positions are. You can actually drive the car with this in this position and see the clutch actuate as you go around. So I think there's finally a tool that will work pretty well for this. It looks like this did a good job relearning the clutch. As I've been told, often when you take your car to a smart center to get the oil change, things like that, that's part of what they do, is relearn the clutch as part of that service. So it looks like this is something that you can do it yourself at home without any special tools other than this. This tool was not that expensive. I will link to it in the description. Going through this, it gives you a whole bunch of other options that you can do with your smart car. But just know this tool is specific to Mercedes-Benz Smart and Sprinter. But it is a pretty cool tool. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was helpful. And I think this is going to be a great tool. Be sure to check out the link in the description. And remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.